Hello, this is Black Jigs. Here, the center on Saturday said the bird flu in poultry has been confirmed so far in 9 states of India. The avian influenza has been confirmed in 12 states. Crow, migratory birds, or wild birds. Till January 23rd, 2021, outbreaks of avian influenza have been confirmed in 9 states. Bird flu has been confirmed over 12 states. Now, the department is generating awareness about the disease through the various medium including social media platforms. The current bird flu outbreaks comes barely a few months after India on September 30, 2020 declared the country free from the disease. India notified the first outbreak of avian influenza in 2006. Earlier, the Food Safety and the Standards Authority of India also urged consumers or business to not panic. Earlier, these big food regulators, FSI, issued details guidelines in a view of the bird scare, advised consumers not to eat half-boiled eggs and undercooked chickens, ensure proper cooking of poultry meats. Here, the regulatory mentioned that the WHO has stated it the safe consume poultry meats and eggs. So, if you like our video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you so much.